let's go to settings, so that you download Google Authenticator from Google, you put it on your phone, then see Google Authenticator. You can just download Google, search Google. Make sure you download this Google Authenticator from Play Store. Make sure you download it. Here's the app. Download it and put it on your phone. You understand? Download this Google Authenticator. Here's the icon. Put it on your phone. Then scroll down. This number can be used to access your paper. But when you add Google Authenticator, nobody, I repeat, nobody can have access to it. So let's go to what? Some people are coming late. You are coming to class. I say today is master class training. You are coming to class late. It's now that some are joining the class. You have already gone far. So all I need to do is to go to security. You see, I hope you are seeing the security. Hello, can we see the security? Hello, are we there?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right. I go to the security. So this is how we will use to create our own PayPal account. You understand? This is how we use to create our PayPal account. Then go to this two-step verification. We have management, other stuff. Just go to two-step verification. Good. So now, all I need to do, someone at the end there might first me to do Google Authenticator and gain access to my account. I beg in the name of God. Men are pitting our admin. So now all I need to do is to scan this barcode. Good. So all I need to do is to put in my code. So I've already authenticated my account. This is how to authenticate what your PayPal account for security reason. You add it. I hope you understand now, ba? Hello, are we here?
Yes.
So we have already authenticated this account. Nobody can hack it. Nobody can change the number. Don't forget, I teach you guys where to get where to get your number, platform to get your number. I've already used this one. I've used this one. Thanks for confirming your phone number. Log in order to manage your account, whatever. I've already confirmed it. So I've already used this one. You can go further. You can go back and use the other one. We'll try another number. We also have other numbers. I think I've used this one, but the first one. Then let's see the second one. Let's see this one. Maybe someone has already used it. Waiting. Okay, nobody has used this one. So someone can use this one. Nobody waiting for incoming message. Nobody have used this one. So the second number, nobody have used it. Let's see third one. Nobody have used it. All these ones, they are fresh number. They just drop the number. It's a fresh number. So let's see. Okay, I've used this one. Let me just copy this number and add it to my profile.
Sorry to cut you short. This Quaker was a website for phone numbers. Like if I log in or create an account with them, does it keep records of the phone numbers I've used or something like that?
Yes, until the number die. These are free numbers. They just distribute the number free. They do distribute number free of charge. So sometimes they will take all the number away. They'll just the ones that maybe the number is already not available. Maybe the number is no longer receiving code. The number is no longer active. They are going to remove it. That is the purpose why you need to put Google Authenticator, so that whenever the number is no longer active again, that you'll be able to receive code. Then the next thing that you need to do is to use your Google. You have many options to receive OTP in order for you to log in your account. Is that you use Google Authenticator, one, or you use phone number for WhatsApp to. That is the number. Maybe you have it linked to WhatsApp. They will send you a message to your WhatsApp too, or they call you three. I hope you get it. Or you receive text four. You see how the securities are, about.
Yes, because you bind the number, sorry, with your Google Authenticator, right?
Yeah. So you see now I've been logged out like this. For example, I've been logged out now. I want to log in now. Now since I've already connected to my Google Authenticator, you understand? Now they want to ask me some security questions, which maybe I might answer it. What was the name of your first pet? So, let's see. So you see I've logged in back. There's no limit. There's no limit set. There's no limit. Highest as you had what? Add credit card or get money. You can add your credit card or debit card, or you can add what? Your bank account, your UK bank account. And when adding your UK bank account, just allow the account to rest. Like you create it today, give you like 2 to 3 days before you can add your bank. Understand? When you have created your bank, you don't have the bank here. So there are some banks that if you create, they are not available. All you need to do is to link bank account using what? Account sort code or account number. I hope you understand me. Like this one, let me see if I have gig pay. Let's see linking of account. How to link account. How to link your account. Let's see. Let me use my gig pay. I think I have gig pay account. Hello, are we there? I'm able to access. Well, I need for this account to be strong. I need to like leave this part to do like 2 to 3 days before I start linking accounts for safety. I don't know. Maybe you understand what I'm saying. I need to just leave the account to be strong like 2 to 3 days before I can now log in back to just start doing my linking. That is when you know that yes, the account will be very tight and will be very strong. Like this now self is okay because I've already secured everything. Everything is already being secured, so there's no problem with the account. So this is how to create your PayPal account 2025. So that is it.
Oh,
Sorry, I can't hear you.
gosh.
What do you
I
say?
say after opening it, if you didn't at least set it up to 3 to 5, like go to homepage.
Homepage. What do you say?
Yes, home. Yes, there is a place. Go down. For fresh account, at least if this side is not 3 to 5, it won't receive enough money. At least 3 to 5.
Which one is that?
Up. You have this set up your account at least.
Okay, set up your account, right?
Yes, at least it should be 3. Some that we ask was.
That is why I said now. There's the next thing is that linking of bank. You can add picture. You can also download the app you can also download the app to finish all the process. So you link your bank. You understand? You link a bank account to it. That is what we are going to be doing next. Maybe in 2 days time, we might host a class, or you just see the video in YouTube channel for you to watch on how to link your bank to your PayPal account. You see the video coming up next. But this is how to create your PayPal account. And also, thanks for bringing the suggestion. I even forgot self. So do well to complete this, because if you do one now, you add your card. You can add, if you have card, you can link your card. You understand? If you have card, you can link it. I can also add a profile picture. Adding your profile picture doesn't mean that people will now come and be like looking, or they'll look at your profile picture. Even if they look at your profile picture and they request, maybe tomorrow they request for ID verification now. Like me, if you need ID, you can come to me for ID verification, for ID card. I will help you create an ID card, a UK ID card, whereby whenever they ask you for ID card, you understand, they'll just come to my DM. Maybe you have started withdraw money. Then sometimes people are mad. People are mad sometimes. So I create ID card. So you just come, I'll create your ID card, then use it for a verification. But it's not free, because it's not free and it's working. I hope you understand.
Yeah, I understand. Sorry to ask, but how much does the ID card cost?
The ID card is just 5,000 naira. I know they charge much. I don't charge 10,000 or 20,000. Just 5,000. At least let me see food to chop. Massive food chop. But you can just get the ID card and keep. Because there are sometimes that people will just start their madness. They will not say, "Oh yeah, upload ID card." They just want to confirm. Some money just enter, any money that they are entering. That's the purpose why you need ID card. I hope you understand. Hello guys, are you there?
How to check eligibility of phone number. This one, just use it direct. You say that you show it.
You can change the number if you want to. You can delete this number if you want to. You understand? But because already now this number, I've already authenticated. You can change the number later if you want to change it. That is, if you have another new number now, you can add the number. Maybe you buy number from Zaid now. From that Zaid platform, you got the number. You just come here and add it. Then you add the number. That is, so you'll be receiving code from the app. I call the app. What did I call the name again? I say, just search Zaid. They sell their number. How much? 2,000 or 3,000. It's 3,000. I think they sell their number. That's the app say. So you can get a number from the platform and you can use it to verify all your surveys instead of you coming to pay 1.5 each number. If you have that app now, you are good to go. I won't get the app here because it's what let me search using this browser. Okay, look at the platform and also download their application. Here's the platform. So this is the platform. You can register, then you download their application. Their number is very cheap, like very cheap, and it's 1 month validity. 1 month validity. You can renew it before then, but make sure you put your Google Authenticator so that you don't go and lose number. I hope you understand me. Hello, I hope you understand.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So this is how to create your PayPal account. Anyway, we have already worked everything. Everything is okay. Everything is good to go. You understand? So that's the process. You can change the number if you want to. Nobody can log in this PayPal, even if they have this code. Even if they have the same code, they want to like hack the PayPal. There's no way, because of what? You have Google Authenticator. That if you are using free VPN, if you are using free number, when you add is very tight. Google Authenticator is very hard. Nobody can hack it. It's not possible for hacker, because you need to like log in. You need to pass through that authenticator. I hope you understand me.
I understand.
All right.
Okay, lastly,
Okay.
See, with this ZE application, if I buy the phone number, it
It
can be mine as long as I keep on
it is
renewing
yours.
this
It is your number.
subscription
You
monthly, right?
yes, you are the only one that know. I give the this thing the review in my other channel how to buy number UK US number. I give the review. It's your number. It's only you that have the number. Nobody has the number. Only you have access to the number. Nobody have access to the number. That's just it.
It is recommended for someone to just pay the 10,000 for full year if you have the money. It's just recommended you just pay one time.
Wallahi. If you have the money, just pay.
Yeah.
It's even more
1 year,
cheaper safe.
Like,
It's even more cheaper
10,000. Yes,
safe.
it's much cheaper.
I swear.
10,000 naira. Pay am.
Just pay and
Forget
close your eyes and pay it. Wallahi, you have rest. There's nothing like any.
And they say also you can use it to create the paper. Now when you want to create the paper, you can use it
You can use
at
it.
first instance.
You can use it sharply safe without no waste of time.
So you see, no need to dey look for free things.
You don't need
Just
to,
common
you
money
don't
buy
need to buy number 15 or get number 15. There are many ways. Like you see this here now, you can use it to create your nice survey. You can use it to create top survey. You can use it to create different kind of surveys. And verify. And like I said always, UK has higher conversion. When you have this now, you have your UK bank account. Maybe you open Grey account or Gig Pay account or Leather Bank. If you have international passport account, go for that Leather Bank or what they call it. Even Pioneer account. If you have Pioneer, if you have Wise, all these they are banks. They are virtual. They have virtual accounts you can use to link to your PayPal, or make sure those platforms, the ones that have what a UK account, you can use the account number,
But
you link it.
but for this paper, you can use any VPN, or the VPN has to be strong VPN, or any even with script or IP verify, or which one safe. You can use it to open the paper, or you need a strong VPN.
Like if you want PayPal, normally if you want a strong PayPal account, you need a strong VPN.